This question comes with the instructions solve by factoring. You want to find the values of x that make this true. Now this looks like a factored form, but remember that solving by factoring means we need something times something equals 0. We got to get a 0 over here first. So I need to multiply out this mess. I get 3x squared minus 12x plus 1x minus 4 equals 16. And I can combine those x terms, and I have 3x squared minus 11x minus 4 equals 16. And then I take away 16 from both sides. 3x squared minus 11x minus 20 equals 0. Remember, it said solve by factoring, no using the quadratic formula here. This is a good candidate for the AC method. If I multiply A times C, I get a negative 60. I need two numbers that multiply out to negative 60 and add up to minus 11. That would be a negative 15 and a positive 4. So I'm going to use these to replace that middle term. What I'm saying is, instead of minus 11x, I'm writing minus 15x plus 4x, and everything else stays the same. Let me get my hand out of the way so you can see that. So I just replaced the minus 11x with minus 15x plus 4x. This is now something we can factor by grouping. Notice the common factor for these two terms is 3x. I write 3x times x minus 5. You see that makes 3x squared minus 15x. Common factor for these two would be a plus 4. If I write plus 4 parentheses, what do I need in here? X minus 5. There's the 4x minus 20. Don't forget the equal 0. And if we've done everything correctly, these should match, and they do. So the common binomial factor we can write out in the front, and the other binomial factor is these things that are outside, 3x plus 4. Be careful about getting the signs correct. Now we're almost done. This says this expression times this expression equals 0. When does x minus 5 equal 0? Add 5 to both sides. There's one solution. When does 3x plus 4 equals 0? Take away 4, divide by 3, negative 4/3. There's your other solution. So these are the two solutions to this quadratic equation.